What's the meaning of ahoy? Ahoy. 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 Ahoy is a nautical term that is used as a greeting or a call for attention on a ship. It is similar to saying, hello, or, hey there, but is specifically associated with maritime culture. The word originated in the 16th century and was commonly used among sailors and pirates. Today, it is mostly used in a joking or playful context to evoke a sense of adventure or excitement. Overall, ahoy is a unique and fun way to greet someone with a nod to the seafaring history of our world.